Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Trezor Suite and connect your hardware wallet, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Trezor Suite website. Once there, click on the Open Trezor Suite button. You will be redirected to the application interface. This page will give you the option to open either the web or desktop version of Trezor Suite. If you choose the web version, ensure you're using a secure and updated browser. For the desktop version, download the application by clicking on the appropriate link for your operating system. After downloading, install the application by following the on-screen instructions. Once installed, launch the Trezor Suite application. At this point, connect your Trezor hardware wallet to your computer using the USB cable. Wait for the application to recognize your device. Once recognized, the application will prompt you to enter your PIN code. Use the Trezor device interface to input your PIN securely. After entering the PIN code, you should see the main dashboard of Trezor Suite. Now, familiarize yourself with the navigation options available. To view your wallet, click on the Wallet tab on the left-hand menu. Here, you can manage your accounts and check your cryptocurrency balances. To add a new account, click on the Add Account button within the Wallet tab. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to add and confirm your selection. Your newly added account will appear in the wallet interface immediately. Now, you can send or receive cryptocurrencies using your connected Trezor wallet. For transactions, click on the Send or Receive buttons as needed. If you choose to send, enter the recipient's address and the amount. Confirm the transaction details on your Trezor device before finalizing the send. For receiving, your wallet will generate a unique address, which you can share with the sender. Always verify the address before completing any transaction. You are now successfully logged into Trezor Suite and have connected your hardware wallet. Feel free to explore the features and settings available to enhance your experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.